Hi boys, welcome the video how to fix black screen in iPhone, smartphone, Android. First solution. Press button home for 5 seconds, okay? Second solution, extract SIM card. Third solution, attention, okay? Open phone. Extract battery. Extract SIM card. Okay. Press volume button up and button on for same time. 14 minutes. Turn on the phone. If you hate the integrate battery, press volume button up and button on for some time. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye boys. Share the video please.